The US government has consistently denied the existence of extraterrestrial beings for as long as we can recall. However, recent events suggest that these extraterrestrials may be dissatisfied with President Joe Biden's persistent denials. Earlier this month, an unidentified flying object was captured on camera hovering over Air Force One during the president's visit to Los Angeles. This raises questions about whether it was indeed a UFO tailing Joe Biden and how the government plans to address the situation, given the widespread public exposure to the footage. A pair of plane trackers, namely Peter and Joshua Solorzano, had set up their equipment at LAX on the day in question to film footage of two F-35 fighter jets patrolling the skies for the commander-in-chief. While their initial expectation was to capture the mid-air refueling of the jets by a KC-1 tanker aircraft, they were taken aback when they unexpectedly recorded footage of an elusive white sphere. Remarkably, the brothers managed to capture the object on film not just once, but 3 times. The object first made its appearance at around 10:18 a.m. local time, traversing the screen in the opposite direction above Air Force One. Although one of the brothers immediately noticed it, he admitted uncertainty about what exactly he was observing. Just minutes after its initial appearance, the mysterious object re-emerged, showcasing unusual movements that prompted concerns about the security of Air Force One. Joshua, one of the brothers, remarked, "It was moving around weird." To their surprise, the enigmatic flying object made a third and final appearance at 11:08 a.m., instilling a sense of terror in the Solorzano brothers. Joshua, in particular, admitted to feeling scared and uncertain about the nature of the object, even suggesting the possibility of it being a balloon. However, Peter, his brother, took a more straightforward stance. He questioned Joshua's suggestion that the object might be a balloon, probing whether such a classification was an attempt to divert attention from certain authorities. Intriguingly, despite capturing the entire scene on camera, the Solorzano brothers chose to remain silent when approached by news channels, leaving the reasons for their reticence shrouded in mystery. Authorities swiftly dismissed the object, labeling it as a wayward balloon. Mick West, a prominent UFO debunker, scrutinized the footage and leaned towards the explanation of a balloon. According to West, the object's movement was likely an optical illusion caused by its proximity to the camera, especially when juxtaposed with the fast-moving plane in the background. Do you find merit in this explanation? The Pentagon has rebranded UFOs as Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena, UAP, and has established a new office dedicated to investigating such incidents. Unsurprisingly, the government has documented over 500 UAP military encounters with these crafts since 2004. While some incidents can be rationalized as natural occurrences, such as unpiloted aircraft or weather balloons, others remain shrouded in unexplainable mystery. NASA has adopted a similar narrative, steadfastly refusing to acknowledge the existence of UFOs and attributing inconclusive evidence as the primary challenge. Nevertheless, the space agency has taken a noteworthy step by appointing a director of UAP research and releasing a report affirming its commitment to studying phenomena that potentially pose threats to U.S. airspace. Despite the startling number of encounters that the U.S. military has had with unidentified space objects, the U.S. government has persistently denied reports of UFO sightings. This denial is particularly surprising given the magnitude of these encounters. Take, for instance, the leaked Navy footage obtained by filmmaker Jeremy Corbell. The footage, originating from inside the ship's Combat Information Center, captures a sphere-like object flying near the ship in challenging windy conditions. The video exhibits the spherical object in flight before it mysteriously disappears into the ocean just off the coast of San Diego. Traditionally, U.S. officials swiftly dismiss UFO sightings by questioning the credibility of eyewitnesses. However, this tactic couldn't be employed in this instance as the incident was meticulously captured on camera by a Navy personnel aboard the U.S. ship Omaha in July 2019. Remarkably, this video was reportedly taken from a cell phone within the ship's classified Combat Information Center, where cell phone usage is prohibited. The footage unequivocally depicts a peculiar spherical object flying above the water, progressively approaching the Omaha ship. However, before it could draw any closer, the object vanishes completely. Alarmed by the sighting, the USS Omaha dispatched a helicopter in the direction of the mysterious object. Abruptly, a military personnel in the video exclaims, "It splashed," signifying the moment the object disappeared into the water. Despite the USS Omaha and a nearby submarine conducting an extensive search of the water, no trace of the object was found. Intriguingly, this UFO sighting occurred concurrently with reports from 3 other U.S. warships based in San Diego, all of which reported encounters with unidentified flying objects. This sighting unveils a captivating yet disconcerting aspect of UFOs: their possession of amphibious capabilities, allowing them to seamlessly submerge into water at will. As we diligently scan the skies in pursuit of UFOs and potential alien life, the revelation that they might thrive in an underwater environment on Earth adds a new layer to the mystery. The UFO's distinctive movement, maneuvering from right to left and ascending abruptly, defies the expectations of typical aircraft or drones. Even the movement of an atmospheric testing balloon doesn't align with the observed behavior. Moreover, the object's immediate loss of its infrared signature upon submersion into the water raises intriguing questions. If it were a conventional aircraft or drone, the U.S. Navy would likely have discovered debris in the water, or at the very least, thermal imaging would have revealed some remnants. However, it appears as though the object truly vanished into the water, leaving no trace. The concept that extraterrestrial beings may be residing underwater is not as far-fetched as it initially seems. With 70% of Earth's surface covered by water and only a mere 5% explored, more than half of our planet remains uncharted territory. In addition to UFO sightings around naval bases and nuclear silos, Alaska has been a hotspot for multiple sightings. Over the past 4 decades, reports of underwater UFO activity in the region have surfaced. These UFOs have not only been tracked beneath the water's surface, but have also remained submerged for extended periods, eluding detection by the Navy and venturing into unknown depths. Researchers have uncovered compelling evidence pointing to the existence of an underwater UFO base in Alaska. UFO researcher Johnny Enoch, closely following these reports, is firmly convinced that extraterrestrials have established bases within the depths of the Alaska Triangle. His conviction is grounded in multiple eyewitness accounts that have emerged over the years. One such eyewitness, Beverly Sue Waltz, attests to observing not just one, but multiple unidentified flying objects emerging from the ocean. Beverly vividly describes witnessing thousands of strange objects rising from the ocean's depths. As she focused her binoculars on them, these objects swiftly ascended straight toward the sky, adding another layer of complexity to the ongoing exploration of UFO phenomena. If Beverly's account holds true, it implies that Earth is hosting alien colonies, a revelation in stark contrast to persistent denials from the U.S. government and NASA. As these extraterrestrial encounters remain concealed, questions about our safety from these beings, their purpose on Earth, and the conspicuous lack of acknowledgement by global government organizations continue to loom large. The unresolved nature of these inquiries has long vexed UFO researchers and enthusiasts, persisting over the years without notable progress. The elusive answers to why extraterrestrials might be here and the intentional silence from government bodies around the world only add to the mystique surrounding these phenomena. Reflecting on the specific incident involving the object captured on film, purportedly tailing President Joe Biden, the debate persists. Was it genuinely a UFO or merely a weather balloon caught in an inconvenient place and time? Opinions on this matter remain divided. We invite you to share your perspective in the comments below. Your input contributes to the ongoing exploration of these enigmatic occurrences. If you found this video engaging, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up. For more intriguing content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for further updates on the captivating world of UFOs and extraterrestrial encounters.